Hello my friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Duchess and today I will be redrawing an old sketch from 5 years ago. It took me quite a while to find it, but thankfully I keep all of my sketchbooks. So I'm going to show you my reference and it might make you laugh. Someone could have told me that she has a long neck like a giraffe. Anyway, today I'm going to attempt to draw a better version. I hope you guys like it. Stay till the end to see the new drawing. Moving on, for some reason I'm struggling with drawing her body. Well, I just suck at anatomy, but I'm going to finish sketching the outline sometime today. I usually spend about 3 to 6 hours per piece though, and this is my third attempt at this? I don't remember anymore. Well, anyway, I drew this elf warrior character when I was about 12 or 13, and her name was Cici Zahira or Cici. It might be weird, but I've always named my characters that I draw, and I still do that today. And every character has their own story. Like Sierra is the daughter of the elf general. She's tough, fearless, intuitive, and incredibly agile. Also, why is her hair so long? Long hair isn't good for the battlefield. Well, story time is over. Let's continue the drawing process. It's the final layer. I always have like 3 layers for sketching and then a finalized one, which is so tedious. But it really helps me with the anatomy. I drew this weird thingy on her waist, which I'm guessing is actually a pouch. Although I'm not sure why Cici would be carrying around a pouch and not a weapon, which is why I drew a weapon and the pouch. Yeah, and her really long hair. I actually took some time to draw it because her hair is flexible and flowy, so it had to bend and look kind of flowy, unlike my older drawing. It looks crusty like she hasn't showered in days. Once again, I made the background a different color so I can prevent colorless spots later. Coloring is the most annoying part in my opinion. I don't connect all the ink lines, which means I have to color in the drawing like I would color with pencil or markers. But I can actually color more efficiently if I outline the drawing and then drag the color into the outlined area. Maybe I'll make a video about how I draw in Procreate. Also, I just assumed that these would be the colors I wanted back then. Well, black for the hair at least. And for hair, I love adding loose and wild strands. That's another one of my favorite parts. Zoom in to her face. Time to shade her eyes. You might not see anything happening, but I'm actually adding highlights to her hair. I made 2 extra layers to add more shading, which I always do. Most times I just use a darker color and shade on top of the layer. Adding more layers of shading, however, makes my drawings look much better. But it does take longer and takes up more space. Time for the finishing touches. I didn't really know what to use for the background, so I just put some blue, and don't forget the most important part, sparkles. Time to compare. So there are obvious differences. I do think that the newer version is better than the one from 5 years ago. It'd be really sad if it wasn't. Let me know in the comments below what you think. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.